2020, and today we're going to be harvesting Olena. We do our harvest in the winter because that's when the plants die back. You can tell all the leaves are turning brown, and that's the sign that it's time to harvest.
Rock bottom. So you'll end up either trying to replant this, or you can just compost this or something, but the actual culinary product that you want to look for is these. These are the ones that I just broke off of the ends, so you're going to get all these fingers coming off of the main root.
This is our Olena harvest. This has been washed and now it's ready to be used as tea for cooking. We're gonna dry these out a little bit and we'll be able to continue to use these for several months. And we've separated out what we're going to replant and continue to grow.
Can you say Olena? Olena.